Guys, my name is Chris from Divine Media, and today I'll be showing you how to do a simple glitch in After Effects. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up After Effects and then create a new composition, and then we call it Glitch, and then 1920 by 1080. The frame rate is 29.97 and then a duration of 10 seconds. Click OK, and then you select your text tool, click write your text. I'm going to write Divine Media. So I'm going to align my text. So after that, I'm going to pre-compose this. I'm going to name it placeholder. The reason for the pre-composing is so that you can change the text anytime you want to. Placeholder. So the next thing I'm going to do is to create a new solid, and then I'm going to name it noise. And then I'm going to go to my effects and bring up fractal noise. Then I'm going to change the fractal type to max. I'm going to change the noise type to block. I'm going to change the contrast to 180 and the brightness to -25. Then I'm going to go to transform. I'm going to uncheck uniform scaling, and I'm going to scale the width to 6000. Then I'm going to go to evolution, and I'm going to alt click on the evolution to animate this. I'm going to write time asterisk 1000. Now you can see we have a simple animation here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to bring up linear wipe, because I want to animate this. Linear wipe. Linear wipe is a sort of a transition. So I'm going to go to a few seconds and hit a keyframe here, and then go to a few seconds and set this to 100. You see, we have a simple animation here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to pre-compose the noise, this noise layer, and I'm going to name it as map. Move all attributes and click OK. Then I'll bring up my adjustment layer, and then I'm going to bring up displacement map, and I'm going to uncheck this layer and then go to the displacement map and set it to map. As you can see, an effect going on now on the text. So this is very simple, but in order to go more further, we can also crank this up, bring it up to 96, the maximum displacement, the maximum horizontal displacement to 96, and as you can see, we are starting to get something that looks like a glitch. So I'm going to open up this. So I'm going to set a keyframe here. And then I'm going to open up the adjustment layer. So, so the key is to create random keyframes around here. Create random keyframes. I'm going to set this, right click and set this to toggle hold keyframe. Now you can keep going crazy about this. Just keep going randomly. There is in no particular order. You just have to keep going randomly on this. So we now have a simple glitch animation. So the next thing you want to do, if you want to go further on this, you want to add some sort of RGB. You pre-compose everything here. Click pre-compose, then you name it all glitch. Move all attributes, click OK, and then you bring up the effect, shift channels, and then you go to blue, full off, go to green, full off, and then you leave red as red. Take red from red. You duplicate this layer again, and then you go to red, full off, green, put it as green, and blue, full off. Duplicate one more time, duplicate this layer one more time, and then you go to green, full off, and blue, set it as blue, so that we can have 3 different color channels: the red, the blue, and the green. Now I want to select these 2 layers and set the blending mode to screen, and then the next thing is to offset these 2 layers, the 2 layers on top, offset them to 2 frames, 1, 2, and then you click it there and you move the playhead to this point. The same thing goes for the first layer. You move it up to this layer. So now at the end of it, this is what we'll have: a simple glitch animation. Now you can go ahead and change this text if you want to. You can go to glitch, go to placeholder, want to select, and then come to change it to glitch. When you preview this now, you see that the text has changed, so you can change it as you want. So guys, thank you for watching this short tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon to get notified each time I post new content. Have a wonderful week.